Okay, first check the network settings. In the Kali machine, I set two network adapters. One is set to net, and the other adapter is host only adapter. In basic pen testing, the network is set to host only adapter. Now we can go to the Kali. Here first see your IP address if config. This is Ethernet one. Okay, this is the net network. Let's switch to the host only. Now see the if config. I've configured my IP address. Where is the IP? 10.2. Let's open a new terminal. Ethernet 1 10.2. Change the network. My IP address is 192.168.56.103. Just copy it. Now sudo net discover -I, that was in my Ethernet 1 port, and the IP address /24 because this is the network part. It find 3. This is not the target IP address. I have 2 more, this one and this one. Okay, I will check for both. Just exit this. Nmap -A for advanced scan 192.168.0.56.100. Let's see the result. Okay, probably this is not our the target machine list. Use the 101 IP. Okay, this is our target machine. SSH service, TCP HTTP service open, Apache. So okay, this is HTTP server running on this machine. Let's try to browse this. 192.168.56.101. Let's inspect this. Check our dev notes if you need to know what to work on. Check for robot.txt. Not found. We can use GoBuster for the web discovery. Just copy this. GoBuster dir dictionary attack -u the URL. Now we have to give the word list. The word list is in downloads. There is endpoint development. Dev.txt. Let's open this. I've been messing with the stuffs. Pretty cool. I have tried it and configured the content later. J. Okay. There is no. We cannot exploit it using the HTTP server. Let's see the report again. There is SSH port, so we can remote code execution. We can do a remote code execution, and there is a 8080 port open. Okay. Let's see this also. Okay, interesting. We found something. Apache Tomcat 9.0.7. Apache Tomcat. Exploits. Okay, we cannot access this because we are using host only. Let's switch it to NAT network. From Rapid 7. પછી Tomcat is an is the contributing for listener IP address. It was expected that the connection would be disabled if not the negativity would allow returning. Okay, just copy this. Now we need Metasploit. Just open a new window. MSF console Q. Just paste. I need to give our host and our port. Okay. Port number was 880. Exploit. It will take some time. Okay, we see that the module execution is completed, but the target machine may not be vulnerable. So let's go to the report again. Here we have a SSH service port 22. We can try with this. So to do it, we need first the username, SSH username. Then from the username we need to apply the brute force or a dictionary attack to get the password. Okay, for search for it. Exploit rapid 7. Username illumination. Let's go to there. Let's use this. We need to set the host. Let's specify the user file. We'll be using the checklist. It's on download checklist. Usernames, names. We use the name.txt. Properties. This is the file path. Slash names.txt. Set user file. Now run the exploit. It's doing its job. It will take some time. Okay, the scan is complete. Now we have the usernames. Let's pick this username and try to brute force it using Hydra. Okay, Hydra. I'm using the rocku.txt and the thread is 64. It will take some time to cover. Just wait. Okay, the attack is done. Now we can try for SSH connection. SSH gen at the rate of 192.168.0.56.101. Password was RMANDO. Okay, now we are in the machine. ls pwd homegen. Who am I? Now we need to do the privilege acceleration. For this cd ls la cd double dot. We are in home. We have two user Jan and K. Let's go to kcd k. Here we have a file pass.back. Let's open this. Cat permission denied. Okay, we have a hidden folder .ssh which have read, write and execution. Okay, go to this file cd.ssh ls-la. Okay, here we have a id rsa. Let's open this cat id. This is the private key. Let's copy this. Exit. We are using John to decrypt the password. John 2. Let's create a file nano rsaid. Paste this. Control O. Enter and Control X. Now we are using. Now we will be using. We need to convert SSH to John. Let's convert SSH. to John, RSAID SSH to John. Or give a simpler name. Key. Now John key. Word list equal to, will be giving the rock.txt. User share word list rock.txt. Just copy the file path. Key show. This is b swag x. Okay, just copy this, go to the file now, create a SSH connection, I R RSA through k @ of localhost. Yes, just paste. Now URL login is k basic 2. Just open this cat pass dot. This is the password. Copy this, sudo su, paste the password. Okay, now we are at root. Here is the flag.txt cat.